In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard or booking area. Once you're inside the platform, look to the top menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation options used for managing reservations and guest activity. From the top menu, click on Create Booking. This opens the booking setup flow, where you'll enter the basic reservation details before saving the booking to the system. The first thing you'll need to choose is the arrival date. Select the correct check-in date carefully, since this determines when the guest's stay begins and helps Ownerrez calculate availability and reservation timing. After that, select the departure date. This is the checkout date for the booking. Be sure both dates are accurate, because even a small mistake here can affect pricing, calendar blocking, and the length of stay. Next, choose the booking source. This tells Ownerrez where the reservation is coming from. Selecting the right source is important for reporting and for keeping your records organized, so take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct option. Then enter the guest count, including pets if applicable. Make sure the numbers match the reservation details exactly. This helps with occupancy tracking and ensures the booking reflects the actual stay requirements. Once those details are in place, click Create Booking. This takes you to the next screen, where you'll complete the reservation with the guest information. Now add the guest info, fill in the required details carefully, and review everything as you go. Accurate guest information is especially important for communication, documentation, and keeping your booking records complete. After entering the guest details, check the tracking section. This is a good moment to verify that the booking information is categorized properly. Tracking can help with internal organization and make it easier to review performance or reservation sources later on. When everything looks correct, click Save. This final step stores the booking in Ownerrez and completes the process. As a quick recap, you start in Ownerrez, go to the top menu, create the booking, select the arrival and departure dates, choose the source, enter the guest count including pets, create the booking, add guest information, review tracking, and then save. That's it. Following this process carefully helps ensure your booking is entered accurately and is ready for the next stage of guest management inside Ownerrez.